Bedbugs, bedbugs, bedbugs. Hi there, Sharon again. A little video about safety. I kind of thought it was understood when I say food grade diatomaceous earth. I haven't bought the other kind. I don't even see it on the shelf. But there is a particular formula that's used for other things, but you want to get food grade. There are actually people that drink the diatomaceous earth. It's a sulfur product, and that's a whole nother story. Won't open that can of beans, but if that interests you, I have a friend that drinks it every day. She has wonderful nails and skin, and she spent time building up, because you never want to just dive into it. You got to start with just an eighth of a teaspoon. So that's just a that's a free one for you if you're going to try it. Do your study. Just really find some people that are real knowledgeable about it. But food grade diatomaceous earth. The Cemex I talk about in the training is just plain Cemex, so that you can purchase Amazon, or I know the DE most of the time you could just pick it up at Walmart.com has it. Amazon. It's pretty expensive to ship, so if you can buy it locally, I usually purchase it at food grade at like a farm supply house, Orscheln's or Boomgarders or something like that. Farm supply houses anyway usually have it, because lots of people use it around their garden. Keeps animals out. You put it around your house, outside of your house, for bug control, because this will kill off any kind of bug. You just want to make sure that you're using it right and that it's food grade. It's amazing how we can drink it, it's healthy for us, but yet a bug goes through it and it dries out his shell and kills him off. Amazing the things that God gave us, and that if we learn to use them right. There are pros and cons for the product, but the pro is it works wonderful for bed bugs. It's worked wonderful for me and many, many other thousands of people. But the one caution with it is that when it becomes airborne, we breathe it in, and it's not good for our lungs to breathe it in a large doses of it. And I have a few times, and it kind of burned a little bit, not burned, but I got a little cough of it. So in the training I talk about get a mask. When you're laying it down in your home, use a mask. Anybody that's around you when you're laying it down, even though you're just going to lay it down in a fairy dust, don't do like I did and put it down looks like a baby powder factory exploded in your home. That's way too much. That's overkill. But you want to lay it down in specific places, in specific ways. And then, even just doing that, you'll notice that it'll have a little bit of it just kind of floats up in the air a little bit. So lay it down in your room and be done with it. Use your little duster thing or your paintbrush or however you're getting it down, and then just leave the room. Settles really quick. Wipe off things that you don't want it on, because once you've vacuumed and steamed and got your DE down, it doesn't have to be all over everything. Bed bugs, usually they come out at night. They're not out in the middle of the carpet, in the middle of the rooms. They're along the baseboards. They get in your furniture or your bedding or maybe a dresser, depending on how bad your infestation is. So take this to heart. Be very cautious with putting it down for your lungs. That's the safety thing. Otherwise, go to town with it. Use it like I help you understand in the ebook. And that, if you haven't purchased that yet, you still want more info, you have bed bugs, or you know of other people that might have them, or you want to know about prevention for your family and your kids, maybe you suspect them at someone's house and you want to help them, purchase the ebook from the link below the video. like and subscribe. Once you purchase it and your payment clears, a link will be sent back to your email. You click on it, open, and you'll be on your way to understanding or treating your home for bed bugs. Okay, take care. Ta-ta.